Good morning, everyone. My name is Jeriel Garcia, and today we're gonna talk about the writing patterns, continuation of writing patterns. So, the topic is comparison and contrast. So, when we use comparison and contrast, it helps us to differentiate two subjects or 2 points or more. Then comparison and contrast, we use it whenever we're finding the similarities and the differences of 3 points or more. The example is explaining the Philippines is more habitable than Australia. The purpose of our speech is to persuade the audience that living in the Philippines is better than living in Australia. Comparison and contrast helps this speech to know the differences and the similarities of Philippines and Australia. And although comparison and contrast is a strategy, it has its own strategy, the black method. So we use the black method when we're presenting two subjects that has features. So features, then the black method is featuring or presenting all the features in subject 1. Then after, we're presenting all the features in subject 2. While point to point is presenting a specific feature in subject number 2, then relating it or showing the relation in subject 1. So that is comparison and contrast.
Problem solution. Present and identify problem, its causes, and recommended solution. Ito naman yung problem solution is pinapakita na sinusolusyonan mo yung problema mo or tinitignan mo yung problema kung paano ba't nagka-problema, and tinitignan mo rin sa isang bagay na anong pinakamagandang solution para lang masolusyonan mo yung problema mo. Pwede ka na magtanong sa mga matatanda or sa may mga kaalaman para lang mas mapadali na masolusyonan yung problema. And may dalawang meaning yun. Specific purpose and specific topic. Specific purpose, to pursue the audience to support the educational programs of the national government. Pinapakita naman dito is para mas lalong maniwala ang mga tao or audience na supportahan nila yung educational programs. And specific topic naman, explaining the reasons for supporting the government's educational programs seen as the primary means of the increasing the literacy rate in the Philippines. Ito naman mas binibigyan lalo ng solusyon kung bakit need nilang paniwalaan yon. Kasi ang literacy means is ability to read or write. Para mas umangat pa yung mga date na yun, para mas umangat pa ang mga tao na matutong magsulat or magbasa sa Pilipinas.
Good morning everyone, this is our topic for today. Preparing an outline. This step means planning your speech before writing in fully. An outline is like a map that shows has your ideas are connected and organized from your introduction, main point to your conclusion. Expert in public speaking say that once you've made your outline, you're already thirds. Done with your speech. Writing that's because has good outline gives your speech a clear indirection, instruction, making it easier to writing the rest. 1. Introduction. Define education and its importance. Number 2. Body talk. Benefits, personal growth, career, society. Number 3. Conclusion. Summarize and give a call to action.
Everyone, my name is Luis Valencia. This is report of Group 3. What is creating a body of speech? The body is everything but the introduction of conclusion of the body of speech is made up of main points for speech. You will need to between 5 main points. If you have only 1 point in your speech, it will either be quick or short. It will be actually be too complex for the audience to follow. What are the examples examples of creating of speech. This is the examples of creating of speech. The body of speech, the main section that where you develop group ideas, provides of supporting and evidence that build and your argument of story. It is typically that argument or story that follow introduction, which is how looks the audience state on your thesis and leads in conclusion, which is summarized and calls to action a strong body of or organized into 2, 3, 4 minutes. The data and one codes of expert equities aim to clarity transition between points in engagement and keep audience interest.
Here are some strategies to highlight your main idea. The first one is use real-life experience. Share something that actually happened to make your topic even more relatable. Number 2 is use practical examples. Give real examples or simple examples to help your audience understand your point better. Number 3, start with a quote. Begin with a strong quote to grab attention. Number 4 is use facts or statistics. Present a data to make your speech more credible. Number 5 is tell a personal story. Share a short story from your life to make your message even more heartfelt.